What's up, you guys? So welcome back to my channel. This is my YouTube channel. I'm going to start posting about braids, about when I do hair, stuff like that. So this is one of the first ones I am posting. This is going to be like ManBun braids, I guess. It's like a freestyle, but it's a very popular design. I've been seeing it everywhere. I think this is definitely the top design that I do because people always bring me a picture of this exact braid. I'm not sure who did it first, but it's definitely very popular. So what it is, it's big braids but small ones in between. But the difference is the first braid, this one that I'm doing right now, is it starts on one side and it goes all the way around to the back. So that's the main difference of like this design. Like that's what makes it different. Okay, so after I do that braid, then I put a rubber band, and that one's good to go. And then I'm going to start with the right side of the head. So those two were going from this side, from the right side all the way around his man bun. But this braid, the next one is going to be just right here on the side, and it's just going to go straight back. So this one's going to be a big section again. Pretty much the size of the first one on the other side. So I always put gel all around the braid and I kind of brush it up so that it's like slick back, ready to go. His hair's straight obviously, so it's not really going to do anything, but for the curly hair, I always make sure it's really kind of slick back, and that makes it the braiding part just way easier. It's very helpful to do that. Okay, so after the big one, I'm going to do another small one, just like the other small one that I had just done. Tiny little sections. And I know that you're probably thinking, like, that's, like, tiny, like that's like a little micro strand. And it really is, but the smaller the braid, the more, like, I guess the better it looks, the more defined the whole look looks. So... and it's honestly not that hard to braid small sections. You just have to, it's the same exact thing, you just don't lose your strand. It's just smaller strands is all it is. So I'm going to braid this one all the way down. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm doing the final small braid, and then the last section that's left is going to be the last big braid, and then we're pretty much done with the design. So, I mean, honestly, I love how this design looks. It's honestly so simple, but it just looks so good. Like, it looks more complicated than it really is. It's just, you know, just about like where your sections are going and how big your sections are, because that's literally all that, like, that's all it is. So definitely, if this helped you in any way, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. Hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. If you are watching this video and you're going to try this design and you post it on your Instagram, on your Facebook, whatever, definitely tag me. I would love to see. I mean, I know a lot of people have done this braid, but if this video in particular has helped you, you know, I would love to see like other people's work from watching a tutorial that I have done, you know? So anyways, this is pretty much the final look. so here is my braid pretty much done. Thank you so much for everybody that has watched it, that liked my video. Definitely, like, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Until next video, bye.